Hi, my name's Andy. I'm here today to talk to you about Walders. In particular, a new product that they've got in their range called the Walders Banoffee. It's a non-dairy creamy liqueur. It's got flavours of banana and toffee, hence the name Banoffee. So, the drink we're going to be making is a Rum Stag. We're going to take our Hobstar glass like so, and we're going to fill it full of crushed ice. We're then going to take our Boston shaker, and we're going to use 50 ml worth of Bacardi 8-year-old. We're going to pair that with 50 ml worth of Walders Banoffee. Fantastic. Next up, just to add a little bit of sweetness, is a Luxardo Maraschino liqueur. And just a little bit of bitterness, we're going to use some Jägermeister. Lots of ice in the shaker, small tin on the top, and shake. We're then going to take our dehydrated banana slices, decorate them at the back, 2 straws just at the side, and enjoy. That's our Rum Stag. The wonderful smooth rum coupled with the Walders Banoffee flavours, top that off with a Luxardo Maraschino and the Jägermeister for a little bit of bitterness, makes for a perfect aperitif. Garnish with the dehydrated bananas, served over crushed ice, great for an early evening drink.